Hormonally charged male southern elephant seals start returning to breed after months at sea. It's thought that the males stay close to the island in winter, but the females may travel up to 3,000 kilometers into the Southern Ocean. Weighing up to 4 tons, the bulls have no trouble muscling in on the king penguin's winter beaches. This is the calm before the storm. The beach will soon be a battlefield of males fighting over females. Early arrivals are quickly commandeered. Possession is 9/10 of the law. It seems to apply to natural law too. In this battle for sexual success, territory is all. And the males will throw everything into the fight for prime position on the beach. Their weight and teeth are their punishing weapons. Eventually, one exhausted male retreats. Soon after the males, large numbers of smaller females start returning to the island. Within just a week or so, the once deserted beach is thick with 4,000 seals. It's now that the successful males can claim their prize. All the 100 or so females around this male form his harem. His sole aim is to mate with them once they give birth. The pups are born immediately. They are the result of mating on the same beach last year. There are just 21 days to nurse before their mothers are sexually receptive again. Now, more than ever, the males must fight to protect their harems. Giant bulls can be up to 6 meters long, and weighing almost 4,000 kilograms, they can inflict serious damage. This really is survival of the fittest. The most powerful and aggressive bulls carry the scars of fighting on the head and neck. One finally admits defeat and retreats defensively, bloodied and bruised. More than half of the world's estimated 600,000 southern elephant seals live on South Georgia, and for the king penguins, these intruders are a real inconvenience. Somehow they manage to squeeze their way through this wall of noisy blubber.